Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I believe this is part 7 of the big package unboxing from a friend. Today we're reviewing unboxing the Cyber Mecha, I think. I believe this is also a spinner. Let's go ahead and check it out. Pretty cool box design. Eye-catching EDC, make you stand out from the crowd. Alright, what's in here? Some stickers. That's pretty cool. Alright, and then this is the spinner number 46. Oh, that's pretty cool. These things extend. Alright, let me just... Nothing else in there. Put it back in. Alright, put that box aside. And here's the spinner. I believe this is copper and stainless steel. Yep, copper buttons. I don't like that. Don't like copper stuff. Don't like smelly fidget stuff. I don't like metals that smell. So it does spin well, but it does not smell well. It's a pretty cool design though. Let me just open this up, see what's inside. So yeah, it says number 46, Tiger. The brand name I don't know how to pronounce, but yeah, it's number 46, and it's pretty cool. Gotta put it into this way. But yeah, recently I've been becoming more interested in spinners, and yeah, I wanted to check some out, and then this is like the perfect opportunity to check them out. So yeah, I have 2 other fidgets that I've unboxed through this package so far. This is one of them. Pretty cool. It's very loud. This is another one. Small, but also pretty cool. And yeah, and then this is so far the 3rd one. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I don't know what to say about it. I'm not really like a spinner guy yet. But yeah, they do spin for a pretty long time. It's well balanced. This thing's well balanced. So is this thing. So the way you find out if the fidget spinner is balanced is you put it down and then you lift it. And if it starts leaning to one side like that, that means it's not balanced. These are all balanced nicely. Yep. Alright, put these away. But yeah, I guess that'll be all for this video, guys. Make sure to check out our channel sponsors down below. I believe this may be on G1. I'm not sure. Check them out and see if they got one. You guys can get one if you like it. But yeah, I definitely recommend this thing. It's been pretty long. I would love it if it wasn't these smelly metals. But yeah, I don't like the smell. My hands smell like pennies right now. But yeah, I mean, that'll be all for this video, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe if you guys haven't already. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.